Want to send high-quality photos on WhatsApp without blurry compression? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to send HD photos on WhatsApp without losing image quality. This method works on most Android phones and the latest version of WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application. Before starting, make sure your app is updated to the latest version because the HD photo feature may not appear on older versions. You can update the app from the official App Store if needed. Once you are inside WhatsApp, go to the chat section where all your conversations are listed. Find and open the chat of the person you want to send the HD photo to. After opening the conversation, look at the bottom area of the screen and tap the paperclip icon or the small attachment icon next to the message box. A menu will appear with different options such as camera, documents, and gallery. Tap on Gallery to access your photos. Now select the photo or multiple photos you want to send in high quality. Before sending the image, look carefully at the top of the screen. You will see an HD button. Tap on this HD option and choose HD quality to make sure the image keeps better resolution and clarity. After enabling the HD option, tap the Send button. That's it. Your photos will now be delivered in HD quality with much less compression compared to normal photo sharing. This is perfect for sharing travel pictures, professional images, screenshots, documents, or memorable moments without losing important details. Using the HD feature in WhatsApp is one of the easiest ways to maintain better image quality while chatting with friends, family, or clients.